absolutely boundless, beyond imagination. Join me on a never-ending journey as machines push the boundaries of woodworking. When technology and nature blend perfectly, the Nisula 555C with the Volvo 145 chassis becomes the heart of modern forestry. The engine roars deep within the forest. The machine arm moves with agility, processing timber swiftly and efficiently. It's truly spectacular to witness such a seamless collaboration between nature and human technology. If you are interested in these thrilling scenes, don't forget to leave a like. Let's continue to accompany me on this dramatic journey. It's amazing to witness the transformation right before your eyes. The M300 grinder roars fiercely, its grinding blades spinning rapidly, swallowing whole branches, shrubs, and tree trunks. Felling an oak tree by dismantling it piece by piece is a task that requires skill and solid experience. The handheld chainsaw roars as its blade digs deep into each massive branch. Every precise cut is a perfect blend of machine power and the skilled hands of the craftsman. Wow, the TT4 is truly a beast as it struggles to pull the timber trailer out of the muddy path. The engine roars fiercely, mud and dirt flying everywhere, with the tracks spinning in an effort to conquer the harsh terrain. Pure strength facing nature, an unrelenting battle. Have you ever wondered how a rough log transforms into smooth, usable lumber? The Steel MS-881, the most powerful chainsaw in the world, is the answer. In harsh logging conditions, the mighty engine runs smoothly, and the sharp blade effortlessly cuts through large tree trunks. The timber transport truck roars powerfully as it moves through narrow, densely populated roads. The truck, loaded with heavy logs, rolls steadily, navigating through challenging turns. The engine's roar echoes, with strong traction overcoming every obstacle in its path. Look at that. The HF800 2-speed screw splitter on the Komatsu excavator is working powerfully, slicing through it quickly and precisely. With every rotation, the logs are neatly trimmed, showcasing exceptional performance and the ability to work in any condition. You won't be able to look away. The Tigercat 870C feller buncher, with its powerful 330 horsepower engine, cuts through large trunks decisively. Its flexible hydraulic arm and sharp saw blade operate swiftly, turning a tough job into a highly efficient process. A wood cutting system that operates with power and precision. The eucalyptus blue gum 35 HP gas-powered saw, combined with a lift system, cleaning disc, and feed ring, runs smoothly and efficiently. Meanwhile, the 60 cubic centimeters saw with a piston lift handles each log swiftly, seamlessly, and effectively. Check out this classic wood cutter, a powerful, rugged machine that's truly impressive. With its long blade and 80 level cutting capacity, it takes 2 men to lift and saw through massive logs. The sharpness and strength of this machine are absolutely astonishing. Check out this monster. The Vermeer WC2500XL grinds wood with incredible power, efficiently reducing forest fuel. This massive machine cuts through wood, breaking down large chunks into fine mulch, piling up behind it. An impressive sight, demonstrating unmatched strength and superior efficiency. Truly impressive. The John Deere 640H skidder appears with full power in deep forest, hauling heavy logs through rugged terrain. Its powerful engine roars, and the large wheels roll steadily through the mud. This scene showcases enduring strength and exceptional performance. Hauling massive oak logs on site, the LKT-81 Turbo roars powerfully through the deep forest. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, it represents a breakthrough for lumberjacks working in remote areas, where machinery has become indispensable and human strength can't keep up. Let's witness the power of technology. The Timberjack 810B, a reliable and powerful transport vehicle, crosses a muddy swamp with ease. With its large wheels and robust drive system, the machine easily navigates tough terrain, moving swiftly and safely. It demonstrates exceptional strength in timber harvesting. This scene will truly make you admire its power. Are you looking for a powerful wood clearing machine? The CBI 6800 CT Land Clear is the perfect choice. With its immense crushing power, it effortlessly handles large trunks and dense branches in an instant. This is the ideal machine for large-scale clearing tasks. And this DeBarca-Raver WD-1400 is a living testament to modern technology in the wood processing industry. With its powerful bark peeling capabilities, the machine operates with precision and efficiency, quickly removing the bark and producing clean, high-quality wood products. Have you ever imagined a wood-cutting machine that's so powerful and efficient? The Laserrub sawmill, with its robust gear system, allows 4 operators to work simultaneously. This machine cuts wood quickly and accurately, while ensuring complete safety thanks to its specialized design and protective features. The Spaltfix Cavario sawmill is an extremely efficient mobile firewood processing machine. With its ability to cut wood quickly and precisely, the machine boosts productivity in the firewood processing process. Its flexible mobile design allows for easy movement between different areas, providing maximum convenience for the user. Check out the ultimate logging duo. The Peterson 5710C and 5710D horizontal grinders with powerful tracks work in unison, roaring across the forest floor. With their powerful engines and sharp blades, they slice through wood, creating an impressive, strong, and efficient mechanical performance. A scene full of power and precision. The crane operates smoothly, securely hooking each log, lifting it off the ground, and gently rotating it to load onto the truck. The roar of the engine blends with the movement of the machinery, creating an impressive labor scene.